Doing a grammar workshop, and we are taking a look at the past tense today. How to write, how to speak in past tense, and what are the things required, what is the structure, and what words will you be using when you are talking about past tense. For example, the question can be, tell me about your school life. Tell me about a wonderful experience you had. Tell me about your good memories. Tell me about your earlier education. Tell me about a place you visited. So all these questions and presentations you will be able to write and talk after we finish off this workshop. So past tense. The subject will remain the same. The verb, the subject will remain the same, I. The first sentence which you see is the subject I, auxiliary did, play the main verb, and cricket is the noun. So the first sentence is, I did play cricket. I did play cricket yesterday. I did play cricket yesterday. I did attend your class. I did go to the market. I did complete my homework. And the helping verb is did, which means it is making the sentence emphatic. Emphatic means you are stressing, like I do play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, स्ट्रेस करके बोल रहे, एम्पैटिक है. एंड आई डिड प्ले क्रिकेट. हाँ, और ये एक सेंटेंस क्या हो गया, एम्पैटिक सेंटेंस हो गया. नाउ यू राइट डाउन योर सेंटेंस. आपका सेंटेंस क्या है? आई डिड. राइट डाउन. राइट डाउन. हाँ, सैम्पल सेंटेंस तो आप देख रहे हैं. एंड यू मेक योर ओन सेंटेंस. V1 इसलिए होगा कि डिड बता रहा है पास्ट टेंस में. तो जब ऑक्सिलरी पास्ट टेंस ऑलरेडी बता रहा है, then the main verb will be in the first form. So I did played नहीं होगा, I did play. I did come yesterday. Came कभी नहीं होगा. अब I did come. Next sentence, I plus V2. I cooked dinner last night. मैंने कल रात में, वी जो क्या बोल रहे, सिंपल पास्ट है। आपने कल रात में खाना बनाया था। आई कुक्ड डिनर लास्ट नाइट। मेक योर सेंटेंस। Verb will be V2. I studied. I went home. I wrote a letter. I spoke to my parents. I was playing cricket in the evening. Make your sentence. Please be very careful because you will have to do the interactive session. Make such sentences. After I had. I had played hockey in school. Tried. नहीं समझ रहे क्या बोल रहे हो। राइट का ड्राइव, ड्रिवन, 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 DRIVE. I was driving a car. मैं ड्राइव कर रहा था। मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा था। I was playing cricket. खेल रहा था। I had played hockey in school. I had के बाद थर्ड फॉर्म यूज हो रहा है। I had already gone to the mountain. You make your sentence. कोई काम जो आप कर चुके थे कल। I had been living in Delhi. I had been living in Delhi till 2020. मतलब 2020 तक मैं दिल्ली में रह रहा था। Had been. दिल्ली 2020 तक मैं वहां रहता था। अभी नहीं रह रहा। पास्ट टेंस की बात हो रही है। I had been living in Delhi till 2020. कोई एक्शन जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और पास्ट में ही खत्म हो गया। V3 of slept.
SLEPT.
SLEPT, sleep, slept. Finish writing? I used to sleep for an hour in the afternoon. यूज टू मतलब होता है कि हैबिट था, पास्ट का हैबिट। मैं सोया करता था, यूज टू एक हैबिट है जो अभी नहीं है, पहले सोया करता था। आई यूज टू स्लीप फॉर एन आवर इन द आफ्टरनून। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
वो तो फिर वो हैबिट अभी चल रहा है मतलब।
हाँ हाँ, आई एम यूज टू गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग। आई एम यूज टू हैविंग हेल्दी फूड। मतलब आदि हैं। So all these sentences are of past tense. Has everybody written down their sentences? Have you all finished? Are you ready for the question answer? Yes, no? Where is the microphone? ये ऑन रहता है। It is on for the past 1 hour. Now switch on the light. I cannot be moving the camera all the time. Oh, let us start. Let us start with the girls. Yeah. Read your statement.
go to my room. I told him
1 minute. What is your first question? Please interact. Give the microphone to her. आप पहले पढ़ो अपना सेंटेंस. हेलो, आप पहले पढ़ो.
I did go to my school.
Ask her the question. All right, start. अरे आप बोलो ना.
I did attend my classroom yesterday. Oh, really attend your classroom? Yes, of course.
Next. तू बोल के तो दो.
I did watch a movie yesterday. Which movie you watched yesterday? It was a English movie. Is it nice? Yeah, because it was a science fiction movie. You love that movie?
Read your statement.
I did play cricket yesterday. Where? Where did you play? At my home. Oh, yes. Nice. I had written in my notebook.
I written.
I had written in my notebook.
Why I had? I was होगा ना.
I was written in my notebook.
I was.
Written in my notebook.
रिटर्न होगा क्या आई वॉज के साथ? आई वॉज के साथ क्या कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करोगे? देन राइट का फोर्थ फॉर्म क्या है? हाँ, तो रिटर्न क्यों लिखे हो? बोलो.
I was writing in my notebook. I am playing cricket in the evening.
Ask, give a reaction. सब एक ही कैटेगरी को, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया. सेम कैटेगरी. या व्हाट वर यू राइटिंग पूछो ना. मैंने कहा ना पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे नहीं समझोगे. एकदम डम.
Paragraph. Nine. I will go to market. When did you go to the market?
What did you buy? When did you go to market?
At evening. Oh, nice. Then we can go to get then we can go to.
Read your statement. Read your statement.
I had already gone to the market.
पीछे पीछे. He had gone reading a book. Okay.
Which book you studied?
Which book were you reading?
Which book? Oh, I was reading a book.
Read your statement.
go to market. What time did you go to market?
Why don't you read I was, I had been? Why you skipping that those sentences? I go होगा क्या? I had gone, I went.
I had gone. What did you purchase?
I purchased in कैसे हो गया? बिल्कुल स्पोकन का कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं है. किसी चीज के अंदर से तुम क्या खरीद सकते हो? ये हंसने की बात नहीं है. हेलो, स्टैंड अप. What did you buy? What did you buy? I purchased a vegetable. Look at me. I bought vegetables. Look at me. Where did you go? I went to go evening. Where did you go?
Go to market.
Hmm?
I did go to market.
I went to the market. What did you do?
I bought.
फिर बाय बोल रहे हो. क्या खरीदे तुम? I bought. What were you doing in the evening? What were you doing in the evening? हिंदी क्यों बोलना है? ऑलरेडी समझा चुके हैं वर्कशॉप में हम. ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो यही हाल होगा. तुम शाम में क्या कर रहे थे? I was movie. ओ तुम सिनेमा थे. पिछले जन्म में मुझे किसी ने बनाया था. I was movie. I was watching a movie. What had you eaten yesterday? I had. I didn't eaten. Morning. What had you? क्या तुमने क्या खाया था? तुम ही से बातें करेंगे 1 घंटा. What had you eaten for breakfast? What had you eaten for lunch?
I had.
I had.
I had eaten.
What had you eaten for dinner?
I had eaten chapati.
Sit down. Now every day we'll be answering 50 questions from me. तभी तुम सीखोगे. मुझे तरीका सिखाने का पता है। चलो नेक्स्ट, किसको खड़ा होना है अभी? हाँ या आप तो तैयार रहिएगा। ठीक है ठीक है।
Actually, the party given by my past parents was birthday party.
Read your statement.
I was reading a book.
Somebody question. Next person question. खड़े हो जाओ, नहीं बोल रहे हो तो। जो नहीं बोलेंगे उनको स्टैंड अप हो जाएगा।
I had once in morning.
हाँ, वो बोला आई वॉज रीडिंग अ बुक, प्लीज आस्क हिम, प्लीज गिव हिम अ स्टेटमेंट। नहीं दिखेगा कैसे?
Which type of book?
जो नहीं बोला उसको तो हम बताएंगे।
Why you wrote English book?
Because I have to improve, that is why. Next person, give the mic, next person.
I had once in morning.
I had
I had once in morning.
वॉल क्या चीज होता है पहले बता दो। वॉल तो होता है, वॉल क्या होता है? वॉक, एल साइलेंट है। वॉक,
I had walked in morning.
I went for a walk in the morning. I had gone for a walk in the morning. I was taking a walk in the morning.
I had gone in the morning. Where did you go?
Where did you gone नहीं, where did you go?
In the park.
Did के बाद V1 होगा ना? Where did you go?
Where did you go? In the park.
For walking. Yes, next.
I had been waiting for you. I had been waiting for you.
अब बोल रहा है waiting for you, तो which person? कौन बोला which person? Stand up. Stand up. Which person? बताती हूँ तुम्हें। हाँ चलिए। हाँ. Look at me. Hello. Hello. Hi. I had been waiting for you for 2 hours. Because I wanted to see your homework. Why were you waiting for me? I was waiting for you because I wanted to see your homework and classwork. Right? What is your statement? तुमने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे होंगे ना तुमने, तो उसमें से पढ़ो ताकि तुमसे सवाल पूछ सके।
I ate many books.
You ate many books.
I ate many books.
Many food. I ate fruits. Why do you eat so much fruit? Sit down. Give the microphone to somebody else. Who has got the microphone? We cannot see any, we cannot hear anything. What? मतलब माइक्रोफोन में भी आवाज नहीं आ रही। ए इधर आओ, इधर आओ, come here. यहाँ आओ। अब तुमने क्या लिखा है बोलो। तुमने कुछ लिखा होगा ना सेंटेंसेस, हाँ तो बोलो। तुमने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे होंगे, हाँ तो उसको पढ़ो। कॉपी ले आओ। क्या पढ़ेगा, बीसीए की बेस, बाप रे बाप। मैं तो हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ ना, इंग्लिश में बात कर। पढ़ो। दैट इज वेरी गुड, आगे पढ़ो। तुम कब लिखोगे अपना सेंटेंस? वही तो समझ में आ रहा है, हाँ? अभी एक आध हजार क्लास करोगे तो समझ में आएगा धीरे धीरे। थोड़ा समझ में आया ना? With no participation, you will not be able to understand. Sentences मेरे लिखे होते हैं, sentences आपके भी लिखे होते हैं। जिन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया मैं बता रही हूँ, सेंटेंस सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है जो कि मैंने हिंदी का भी मीनिंग बता दिया है। आपको हिंदी का सेंटेंस भी लिखना है। जिसको इंग्लिश समझ में आ रही है कोई बात नहीं है, जिनको नहीं समझ में आ रही है तो एवरी इंग्लिश सेंटेंस का ट्रांसलेशन भी लिखाया जा रहा है। उसके बाद भी अगर मेरे पास आओगे कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो मुश्किल बात है, क्योंकि आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। ठीक है, आई डिड प्ले क्रिकेट, मैं क्रिकेट खेला था। वर्कशॉप में पार्टिसिपेट करने से समझ में आएगा, नहीं करेगा पार्टिसिपेट नहीं समझ में आएगा।